Here we have this 69 plate BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now it comes with the LED headlights, we've got the kidney grills in the centre, and we've also got the M Performance kit front splitter at the bottom, making this front end look nice and aggressive. £4,500 worth of factory extras, all of which are listed on the website. We've got the front and rear parking sensors with a in-car display, 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the blue caliper behind, black side skirts at the bottom. We've also got the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We've got the privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside with the colour-coded shark fin antenna at the top. As we make our way around to the rear, you can see we've got the twin exit exhaust to the left with a diffuser at the bottom and the parking sensors running across the middle of the bumper. Now this vehicle does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a closer look at the interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with the Isofix points and the armrest in the centre. We've also got the electric windows on the door. Onto the front, we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather. Both of these seats are heated and electrically adjustable with a memory function on the bottom of the seat just there. We've also got the electric windows with a child lock and the electric side mirrors, premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. I'm just going to take a quick seat inside and show you this interior. We've got the screen in the centre with all the functions like the satellite navigation, the Bluetooth media and the Bluetooth phone connectivity, dual climate control with the heated seats on both sides with the air conditioning. We've got the cup holders with the automatic gearbox and the different drive modes, dial and the buttons for the screen for the functions. We've also got the handbrake just here, armrest with the wireless phone charging inside and the USB. We've also got the cruise control and speed limiter on the steering wheel, paddle shifts either side with the volume button. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.